5 top methods to getting targeted traffic on a budget. Looking to get more traffic to your website, but don't have a ton of cash to spend on it? The good news is that there are plenty of options, and in fact, getting targeted traffic can even be completely free. In this presentation, we're going to take a look at some of the best ways to get more traffic in terms of cost effectiveness. So let's get started. 1. PPC. PPC is pay per click. This is a form of advertising that only costs you when someone clicks on the ad. Examples include Facebook ads and Google AdWords. In both cases, you get to set not only a maximum budget, but also a maximum amount you're willing to pay per click. Both these controls let you carefully manage your budget, and in turn, that makes them suitable for those with a little less to spend. 2. Influencer marketing. Whether it is guest posting, ad swapping, or YouTube shoutouts, influencer marketing means swapping links with people who have their own audience. You both benefit, but no money needs to exchange hands. 3. Answering questions on Quora. Want to easily get your link seen by hundreds or even thousands of visitors? Just answer a few questions on Quora. Quora also ranks highly on Google, particularly for searches that are phrased like questions. It might just be an easier way to get your brand to the top of the SERPs. 4. Reddit. Reddit is a very powerful resource for marketers who know how to make the most of it. You can either use this just like Quora, by posting answers, or you can use it as a place to share links with an audience you know will be interested in your posts. Whatever you do, the key to success is to first build some relationships in that subreddit. This way, people will know you and respect you when you post, and might even go out of their way to help you succeed. That is, as opposed to downvoting you and having your post removed for being spammy. 5. Link baiting. The very best links are the ones that look natural, meaning that they look as though they were shared by other users. And the best way to achieve this effect? That would be to build links that genuinely are natural. And the best way to do that is to create content that people just can't help but want to share with others.